Granite countertops are beautiful, durable centerpieces in your home that you can enjoy for years. Sadly, they lose their luster and shine over time. With daily use, liquids seep into the porous granite surface, leaving behind germs, dirt, and water spots. Regular maintenance, deep cleaning, and periodic sealing are critical to protecting your home and your investment. Do-it-yourself products often contain harsh or abrasive ingredients that can damage your granite and dull the finish. Chem-Dry, the leader in carpet and upholstery cleaning services, offers a granite countertop renewal treatment that lets you fall in love with your granite countertops all over again. Our green-certified, non-toxic solutions and powerful equipment penetrate deep into the porous surfaces of granite, eliminating dirt and grime. When a sanitizer is added, our process removes an average of 98.4% of bacteria from granite, helping eliminate the spread of germs. After deep cleaning, we seal and shine the surface, creating a barrier that keeps out dirt and germs, not only restoring the luster and removing unhealthy elements, but extending the life of your granite countertops. With Chem-Dry, you get a deeper, longer-lasting clean and a healthier, happier home. Chem-Dry. We clean for your health like no one else.